Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install Java on Windows 11. So simply open your any browser. Now I'm opening my Chrome browser and go to search option and search it to Java download. Okay, click on this link and then showing it to download Java option, just click on and now start to download. Okay, download complete. Double click to install, press on yes and click on to install. Okay, now complete. So open my Java. Okay, now successfully complete installed Java. So that's it. That's how you can do it.